Fling AI is a virtual companion app where you chat with AI characters. You can pick from different AI girlfriends or boyfriends, each with their own personality. The app lets you have normal conversations, role play different situations, and even send voice messages back and forth. So what does Fling AI offer? First, you get lots of different AI characters to choose from. Each one acts different and talks in their own way. The app works on iPhone, Android, and the web, so you can chat anywhere. You can do role playing with different stories and situations. Want a romantic chat or maybe an adventure? The app handles both. There is also group chats where you can talk with multiple AI friends at once. The conversations feel pretty natural. The AI remembers what you talked about before and responds based on that. You can also send voice messages instead of just typing, which adds a more personal touch. Now let's talk about cost. Fling AI offers a 1-week trial at a lower price to test things out. After that, the monthly plan costs $25. If you pay for the whole year upfront, it's $120 total, which saves you money. The yearly plan gives you extra stuff like premium AI characters, better roleplay options, and faster customer support. All plans let you chat as much as you want with no limits. The good part, the AI feels real and remembers your chats. You get tons of characters to pick from. The app works on all devices and you can chat without limits once you're subscribed. The downside, there is no truly free version, just a cheap trial. The monthly price might feel high for some people. And like all AI apps, the conversations aren't perfect and can feel a bit odd sometimes. So is Fling AI worth it? If you want a virtual companion and don't mind paying, it's a solid choice. The AI is good, there is lots of variety, and it works well across devices. But if you're just curious and don't want to spend money, this might not be for you. That's our take on Fling AI. Check the description for links and pricing details. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.